reasons they have given are not at all convincing. 18 years is the age where a woman is considered an adult. Therefore, a woman has the right to make her own choices in life. If a woman wants to marry at that age, she has every right to do so. If a woman wants to marry at the age of 25, she has every right to do so. If a woman doesn't want to marry at all, she has every right not to marry. But the question is that today, when you are unable to implement even the marriageable age of 18, and we have so many child marriages today, you are actually going to disempower women because you are going to criminalize a marriage by an adult woman. Because at 18, I'm an adult woman. I can marry if I want. Nobody should force me to marry. Now, the question is, the second point, to empower women, you have to build a society in which no one can coerce a woman to get married against her will. In other words, today in India, the prevailing culture is coercive for women to get married. That is something has to be fought, and we are fighting it. But unfortunately, those today who are talking about women's empowerment are doing the opposite of it. Thirdly, the government says it will help women's health by having a gap where she produces a child. Now, women's malnutrition, the problem of anemic women, is something which is deeply related to malnourishment of young girls from the child where a woman is actually a girl. From then, malnourishment is an issue. And therefore, instead of ensuring nourishment for women, instead of ensuring proper nutritional status for children, girls, young adults, teenagers, you are trying to criminalize it all and making it as though if she's 21, she's going to be very healthy. So these are totally wrong concepts. Whatever the reasons you are giving are not at all the solution for the problem. And lastly, government says it should be equal age. If you want it equal age, then make it the equal age where men and women have become adults. That is what Law Commission has said. Therefore, to criminalize marriage for an adult woman is completely unacceptable to us, and therefore we would request the government, the problems about malnourishment, the problems about women's choice, the problem about women's autonomy has to be solved. But you want to criminalize it and punish young women, that cannot be accepted at all. We cannot accept it.
But do you see any ulterior motive behind this law?
I don't want to go into what their motives are. They may have many motives. I am only concerned, does this step help women? Does this step empower young women? Or will it further add to their problems? According to us, it will criminalize the right of an adult woman to choose her partner when she wants. And therefore, it is not going to help her health at all. So we cannot accept the reasoning of the government.